Hey busy moms, I'm Megan with WTI. If you're always on the go like me, this green powder by Beam Greens might be your new best friend. I tried it while I was under the weather and mostly living on liquids, and it really helps support my immune system. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, ashwagandha, organic greens, and a mushroom complex. All the good stuff your body needs, especially when you're run down. Now, I've only tried a couple of other green powders, but this one is by far the best tasting. It is on the sweeter side, so I personally prefer it in a shake or watered down with ice. But the best part is that there is no earthy or grassy taste at all. I definitely recommend using a frother like this one to get it nice and smooth. Just keep in mind it does settle if you sip it slowly, so give it a quick shake or swirl between sips. Overall, this has definitely earned a spot in my daily routine, and that's my point of view.